Imagine a place where old-world charm meets future-forward design. Welcome to Temecula Valley. Here, every home tells a tale, a blend of legacy and dreams yet to be. As families evolve, merging generations under a single roof, homes must adapt in tandem. Box construction isn't just about renovations. We're about reviving stories, adding chapters to your family's saga. Our 3D visualization isn't just a tool. It's a portal. Step in and walk through your dream, tweaking every corner, ensuring that every nook, cranny, and open space matches your vision. As you explore, envision materials from our vast warehouse, handpicked to mirror your aspiration. From classic marble elegance to rustic wooden warmth, we ensure your material choice tells the right story. Think of the vibrant family dinners in the open kitchen, grandparents sharing tales from their past in the cozy living room, or children playing in a specially designed rec room. Every space harmoniously catering to every age, from toddlers to the elderly. With box construction, you're not just getting a service, you're investing in a legacy, ensuring your home stands tall as a testament to your journey. So, let's not just renovate, let's co-author the next chapter of your home's rich tale.